Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that housed the backup. Once signed in, go directly to Google Contacts. Make sure the avatar and email at the top right match the account you intend to restore. Once done, switch to the left menu. You're looking for the More or Settings options. This first step ensures you work on the right dataset and prevents accidental overwrites, so double-check before proceeding to the recovery tools in the next slide. You now use the built-in recovery tools. Click More and select Undo Changes to roll back your contacts to a previous state. Choose a restore point such as 10 minutes, 1 hour, yesterday, or set a custom date. Pick the moment before contacts disappeared. If you previously exported a CSV or vCard, go to Import instead and upload that file. This merges the backup into your current list. Make sure to review restored entries for duplicates or missing fields after the operation. Finish by reviewing your contacts and use Fix and Merge to clean duplicates. This keeps your address book tidy. If the restore didn't bring back everything, make sure Account Sync is enabled on your devices and try a different restore point or re-import your CSV. Once you confirm everything is correct, export a fresh backup so you have a local copy going forward. Quick troubleshooting tip: if items are missing, switching to the desktop web version often reveals more restore options than mobile.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.